let me share my personal thoughts about why there are fewer tourists in Angeles City right now. This is just my opinion, not a fact, so feel free to agree or disagree in the comments. First of all, after COVID, tourism dropped sharply all over the Philippines, not only in Angeles City. That's something we can't ignore. Now, specifically about Angeles City. After COVID, prices went up a lot. During the lockdowns, everything was closed. Businesses lost money, and when things finally reopened, many places tried to recover their losses as fast as possible. That's understandable. But at the same time, many tourists also don't have as much money as before. Not everyone is doing great financially these days. Angeles City and Walking Street used to be extremely popular mainly because it was cheap. Low price attracted tourists. People were willing to ignore a lot of problems, dirty streets, beggars, sometimes crime like phone snatching, because overall it was still affordable. Compared to many other destinations, it felt like good value for money. And yes, let's be honest. One of the main reasons tourists came to Angel City was Filipino girls. Filipino women speak English, they are friendly, easy to communicate with, and for many visitors, that was a big attraction. Some people came to relax, some came to socialize, and some even came hoping to find a future wife. That's just reality. Now, the situation is different. Right now, Angeles City is basically one big construction zone. There is large-scale infrastructure work happening: railways, bridges, roads, drainage systems. Many roads are dug up, some hotels and areas are being demolished, and a lot of space is being prepared for future development. Because of this, the local government can't just make temporary fixes like widening sidewalks or improving streets little by little. Everything is already planned as part of a big long-term project. So for now, we see traffic jams, confusion on the roads, dust, noise, and dirt. It doesn't look very attractive to first-time visitors. On top of that, prices in bars and entertainment venues have increased a lot. I've talked to friends who used to come to the Philippines regularly and now they don't. They told me directly, why fly so far to the Philippines if we can go to Thailand instead? In Thailand, prices are similar now, but the quality is often better, cleaner streets, better sidewalks, cheaper hotels, and more developed infrastructure. Yes, in Thailand, many people don't speak English very well, but most tourists don't really care about that anymore. Honestly, if prices in the Philippines were still at pre-COVID levels, I think many tourists would still come. They would ignore the dirt, expensive hotels, average food quality, or lack of variety just like before. But at today's prices, many people don't see the value anymore. Right now, most visitors are people who have been coming here for years. They already know the country, they like it, and they used to it. New tourists are much fewer. Also, one important thing many people don't realize: a lot of foreigners living or visiting Angeles City don't even go to Walking Street anymore. They already know how to meet people in other places. They have friends, contacts, and routines. If they go to Walking Street, it's usually just to have a beer or meet friends, not to party in bars. Today, most bar customers on Walking Street are Korean tourists. They usually come in groups on package tours. Many don't speak English, and most bars there are now Korean oriented. You can see Korean men standing in front of bars, inviting tourists in Korean. It's no longer girls attracting customers, it's promoters. Western tourists, from what I've noticed, usually sit in cafes, coffee shops, or sports bars. Very few of them go into the bar scene now. So yeah, these are my thoughts on why there are fewer tourists in Angeles City today. Again, this is just my personal opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep watching this video. Right now I'm walking along 1st Street, then I'll turn onto 2nd Street and head out to MacArthur Highway. Thanks advance for watching.
Ayun lang. Ayun si Ate na, oh. Wala pa ako sa discount ako sa Sabado. Wala pa kayo sa wala pa ako sa